Hey you guys, I am back with another video. What I'm going to be doing today is I am going to just grab a few things that I'm going to be needing for painting my craft space, my sewing room. I am so excited. So if you didn't watch the other video, part one of this video, you need to go watch it. Go watch part one, okay? Because I had to do a cleanup. And you guys saw halfway through because it was a lot. Guys, go watch that video. This is part two. I'm going to be painting one wall. What color, and the other walls I'm just going to leave. I'm probably going to paint those white or the same white color that they are. But anyway, I have two colors that I have. I have a purple and I have a green. If you guys don't already know, purple and green, well, green mainly and purple are my favorite colors. So of course, those are the two colors that I'm going with. Yeah, you guys, so I have been trying to paint since, yes, September of 2019. I've already used the green one for an accent wall in my room. That's the reason why you guys see it used already. And I used this particular tape, and it worked well. And you guys will see the results at the end of this video. So you guys already know what the deal is. I'm going to put this on the wall, the tape on the wall, to cover up the corners, and so that, you know, I don't mess up the edges and the baseboard and the sockets for the outlets. So that's pretty much it for right now. Yeah. Yeah, you guys, so what I ended up doing was just painting this whole entire wall, this light lavender purple, or this lavender purple color. Usually with something like what I'm about to do, you would want to do the lighter color first, then the darker color, but I didn't want that light color. I wanted this one. I'm all about colors. I'm all about how they make me feel when I enter into a room. So I said I wanted this space to have a certain feel, and so I wanted the wall to be this lavender color. We all know what lavender is. It's calming, it's cooling, it helps with relaxation. So this is the color that I wanted, and like I said, the accent color is going to be lighter, but I'll show you guys, I had to do a few coats of the other color because it is lighter. But you know, I have to go with how I feel. So lavender colored purple it is for me. So I'm done with the first portion of painting the wall, and yes, there are some patches that still need to be dry. I do have the fan down there to help with speeding up the drying process, and we do see those patches, but they are going to clear up. Yes, my hand is full of paint and I didn't get any on my clothes, but I'm going to go ahead and get ready to set the tape down so we can finish the second portion of painting this accent wall. Yeah. All right, here is the results of this wall. You guys, it came out better than I thought. It did leak through, the paint did leak through a lot of the tape. As you guys can see, this is why I slowed it down so you guys can see. Even with me applying pressure and making sure it adhered to the wall, it still bled through most of the tape. But what I ended up doing was I went back and I touched it up as best as I possibly could, and you're gonna see right here in a second that even some of the purple paint came up from the tape, and I had to go back and redo that as well, which it was nothing, you know, it's no big deal. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the end result, and I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.